What's going on, subscribers? My name is Jackson. Today I got a package. It's my new marshmallow gun, because the one I showed you before is broken or something. Anyway, as I'm unboxing it, and of course I've got my unboxing knife, because I'm not your normal YouTuber who would use scissors. Anyway. There we go. Hold on, my cat Thule. You can't tell, but Thule was just right behind the camera. Come here, little girl. Here you go. There we go. Unbox the knife. Anyway. Here it is. My new marshmallow gun. So later, within the month, I shall do the marshmallow shooting challenge with one of my neighborhood friends, and of course with my best friend, Sean. I shall see you in the next video, and... oh wait, never mind. I probably should open this while I'm here. There it is. I know I'm supposed to untangle these, but cutting it's much faster. Oh yeah, totally cool. So I guess I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye!